again, I'm Yanique.
You're Yanique.
Yeah, see me now?
I'm seeing you.
The ship was, yeah, the ship was reconnecting. So I'm almost there.
Okay.
I'm walking really fast. So what should I do? Regina, Renouy.
Hi, Regina.
Yes. No. Why you not be right? You love video, you video. When I'm book up and somebody who likes the video.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So,
Once.
keep your videos all going. I'll make sure videos. Yeah, good job.
Whatever.
I'm not sure what's happening here, but I had to be a part of it. So it looks like someone is getting a gift, a special someone. So this is the admirer. Okay, cool. Let's go. Enter.
Oh, it's a whole production.
Yeah, I know, right?
See them live. This is Mrs. Van Horn Crooks.
Hello. How
Special
you doing?
delivery.
Hi. Why the face?
Listen, set your
I don't
face good.
understand what's going on. Why the face? Happy almost anniversary.
Did he just say happy birthday?
Almost anniversary.
Oh,
I don't
almost
really have
anniversary.
any
Okay.
plans, but this just came to me and I just ran with it. So
I'm sorry.
it's just lunch.
What?
You know, I just couldn't present it normally. So ta-da!
Ta-da!
You know, so you're fool.
Are you a fool for your face?
Huh?
I mean, just ask her if she wants some of my lunch, you know. Oh, that's so sweet.
So, so supposed to be balanced.
I know you didn't buy lunch. I'm sure that you didn't buy lunch.
I'm going to get my lunch now.
Wow.
Say something, please. Express some appreciation so I can stop this video.
You have a side and you have the main course.
I know you. Where can I get someone in your family?
Thank you, Rano. You
You're
know,
welcome. You're welcome.
I'll talk to you later.
Huh?
Bye.
Alright.